My name is James Wagner. This is my company presentation for Strategic Management at Wayne State College, summer 2019. The company I chose to do my analysis on was Tesla Inc., formerly known as Tesla Motors. During this analysis, we'll go over a brief overview of the company, including a SWOT analysis, environmental factors affecting the company going into the future, and we'll finish off with recommendations and conclusions. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers that wanted to show people that just because you drove an electric vehicle, you didn't have to compromise. They wanted to create a vehicle that was better, quicker, and more fun to drive than their conventional gas-powered vehicles. Currently, Tesla Inc. is divided into two different business segments. You have the automotive segment, which deals with the design, development, production, and direct sales of the Tesla automobile. And then you have the energy generation and storage segment, which deals with the energy storage products and the solar powered energy systems for commercial and residential uses. Getting right into it, look at the strengths of Tesla. They've created for themselves a unique niche in the automotive market by creating luxury, long-range electric vehicles. They've been able to dominate this market since they debuted the Tesla Roadster in 2008 with their groundbreaking lithium-ion battery and drivetrain. Since then they've experienced robust and sustained sales, with 2018 being the best year yet they've had for sales. They're a strong, globally recognized company for innovation, as well as their green practices and their commitment to the environment. They've had strong control processes for the production. Tesla actually creates and manufactures a lot of the components needed for their Tesla automobile, which helps to minimize disruptions in the supply chain that are created by third-party vendors. Also, they have a easily recognized and charismatic CEO. Perhaps not since Steve Jobs has a CEO personified a company quite like Elon Musk does with Tesla. Weaknesses. Tesla has a limited market presence. Most of their sales are conducted within the United States and therefore are missing out on a lot of potential sales globally. Additionally, their cars are more expensive than some of the other small sedans and their gas-powered rivals. Additionally, they have a high amount of debt due to their commitment to research and development. Opportunities. Because of their limited market, Tesla has the opportunity to expand further globally by getting into emerging and developing foreign markets. They had the opportunity to insulate their company from financial risk by diversifying their holdings and investing in other areas of other potential areas. Additionally, they had the opportunity to work on reducing cost of production, so that way they can forward those cost savings onto the consumer and try to lower the costs of the Tesla automobiles and make them more appealing to mass market. Threats. Tesla is in an aggressive market. The automotive market is one that deals with high volume and low profit margins. As Tesla increases their sales and the numbers of units produced, they're going to become more competition for well-established bigger companies like Ford and GM. Once that happens, they're going to see more aggressive tactics from those companies. Additionally, Tesla deals only in direct sales, which could cause them to lose customers who want the experience of dealing with the dealership, especially at that price point. Environmental factors affecting Tesla. The economic factors. Recently, Tesla stock has been dropping, and they've seen a 50% decrease in their market value since 2018. Additionally, in the first quarter of 2019, they posted a loss of $702 million. Ethical and social, because of the increased demand of electric vehicles and specifically Tesla, the lithium-ion batteries require lithium. More batteries equals more lithium. To get that lithium, we have to do more mining. They've increased the mining operations into South America, and these mining operations are becoming more not environmentally friendly. Additionally, most lithium batteries are not recycled, whereas 95% of the lead acid batteries are. And then also Tesla's going to have to deal with legal issues such as lawsuits from issues dealing with their emergency braking systems and the deaths that have occurred because of the autopilot system. Recommendations. Because of their limited market, I would recommend that Tesla work at expanding their presence in the global market and developing markets. They should concentrate on cost-saving initiatives to try to lower the cost of the vehicle and make it more appealing. Continue to focus on technology and innovation because that has been their bread and butter and their go-to that has drawn people to them. And then finally, like I mentioned before, they need to diversify their holdings to insulate the financial risks that are present. In conclusion, Tesla is a young and innovative company that has a high focus on research and development and technology. But because of this, they have heavy debt. This heavy debt brings into concerns of their ability to fund the operations of the company long term. If you are an investor, you may want to look at other options other than Tesla, unless you have excess money to throw around and gamble with a company that has been posting losses for a number of quarters now. This has been my brief presentation over Tesla. Thank you for your time.